In this video, I will explain how we can create a modular power supply solution using the new WisBlock power boards. All of our electronic devices have a variety of up to 5 different kinds of power supply options. Batteries are also used in sensor devices, however normally also combined with USB for charging or solar. PoE is used in a networking environment, whilst the DC 5 to 24 volts is a fairly common option when building a device in an industrial setting. Usually you would build an evaluation board to support various power supplies. In fact, you will need a very large board, and that's just for evaluation. WisBlock's goal is not just a clean prototype, but to achieve fast deployment as well. Let's take a closer look at how the new WisBlock power modules can make your power supply modular to fit a variety of different scenarios. Starting with the RAK19012, this power module enables you to power your baseboard via USB Type-C, battery and via solar as well, making this power module an ideal solution for development. The RAK19013, this power module gives you battery and solar power options, designed for solar powered applications in mind. As there is no USB port, you will need to use the RAK5804 to upload the software. If your application does not allow firmware updates of the battery, consider using a power board with USB. If, however, your application does not allow manual firmware updates due to something like security measures, then a power board without USB is recommended. The RAK19015 provides non-rechargeable battery power only. This configuration is for applications with replaceable batteries. As there is also no USB port, you will need to use the RAK5804 to upload software. The RAK19016 gives you a 5 to 24 volt DC and battery power options, an ideal solution for industrial applications. With no USB port, the RAK5804 will also be required to upload software. The RAK19009 is a mini baseboard suitable for smaller configurations, capable of handling any one of the new WisBlock power modules. The RAK19010 is a standard baseboard and the RAK19011 is a full-size baseboard. When you connect the RAK19009 and the RAK19012, you will get the RAK19003 power board configuration. Connect the RAK19010 and the RAK19012 and you will get the RAK19007. And finally, connecting the RAK19011 and the RAK19012, you will get the RAK19001. These new WisBlock power modules are designed for you to maximize, streamline and efficiently configure your IoT solutions, giving you a wide variety of powering options whether your solutions are mini, standard or full-sized.